Hi everyone, welcome back to Fun Chow. Today we're going to make something special today. Not for ourselves, but for our 4 dogs.
So this is our furry family. Sit, Bailey, Luna, Bailey, Chloe, and Daisy. We started cooking for our dogs over a year ago, and when we took them in, their blood work was good, but when we took them back after a year, it was even better. So we know this is a good recipe that works for our dogs, so we want to share it with you. Hey guys, just wanted to show you some of the ingredients that we use in our dog food. These particular ingredients all come from Costco. This is coconut oil, and it's also a really great buy at Costco. You get this huge container and it lasts forever. This is green beans, cut green beans, peas and carrots. These are Normandy vegetables. They also have a bag of just broccoli, which would be fine. Sweet potatoes, and this is pork loin. And all these come from Costco, and you only need a couple other ingredients at your local grocery store. So we feed our dogs a mixture of vegetables that we get primarily at Costco. It's about 20 ounces of peas and carrots. This is a broccoli, cauliflower, and carrot mixture, about 20 ounces. Cut green beans, about 20 ounces, and these are rich in nutrients. You're going to add about 2 sweet potatoes, or 12 ounces, and this provides them with digestion. They're high in fiber and vitamin A, which is good for their skin and coat. Next, we have coconut oil, 2 tablespoons, which is good for inflammation, and it's also an antioxidant. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, which is good for inflammation. It's an antioxidant, it's good for digestion, their immune system. And we put also a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, which is also good for digestion. This is a 1.5 cups of brown rice, which provides carbohydrates and fiber. This is pumpkin, about 1/2 can or 7 ounces, which provides fiber, and it's a natural stomach soother. We use 5 eggs cooked with the shells, and the shells provide minerals for metabolism, and their immune function. 1/2 cup of liver, which provides folic acid, which has B9, B12, and many other B vitamins, which is good for their mental and their nerve health. And lastly, we have our protein. We choose to use pork because chicken caused allergies for some of our dogs, and they have not had any issues with pork. So it's about 7.5 pounds. So altogether, we make about 10 to 11 pounds per pot. So we discovered the easiest way to cook this recipe is with an Instant Pot. We separate it into different stages. So stage 1, we're going to cook the vegetables. So I'm going to start by removing the lid and putting the veggies into this strainer. This prevents it from burning. So I'm going to start by putting in the sweet potatoes and all the vegetables. Oops. There we go. We're also going to add 2 cups of water. So we're going to pressure cook this for 20 minutes on high.
Now when the veggies are done, we take it out of the pot and pour the veggies back into the pot like this. And be careful because it's very, very hot. Now what I like to do is to pat down the veggies and make sure that they are level like this. Then I go ahead and add the protein. First of all, the liver. And I like to put the rice next, because we're gonna put the meat down next on top of the rice. This will ensure that the rice get cooked. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that you leave a little bit of gap in between the lid and the pot. About 2 inches is a good amount. We put the lid back on and cook it for 40 minutes. All right guys, after 40 minutes, the meat is done. Let's check it out. So guys, for the next step, we're gonna go ahead and add the coconut oil, the turmeric and the ginger, the pumpkin, put the entire eggs in the Vitamix with the shell and all, and then we're gonna mix it in high speed. Just for a few seconds till they're all blended in. Then we pour the eggs into the meat. The first thing I'm going to do is to break the meat apart with this special blender tool. Break them all down like this. You don't want any chunky parts. With a spatula tool, I'm going to go ahead and mix the pot evenly like this. Give it a quick stir and break up all the chunks when I see them. It looks very liquidy right now, but as it cools down, it's going to thicken.
So the food is all complete now and ready to be put away. And we found these containers on Amazon. They're food grade, and we fill about 7 or 8 of these per pot that we make. And and then we freeze them, you know, depending on how many batches we make at one time. Usually we make 4 at one time, and that'll last us about a couple weeks. So our big dogs eat 12 ounces for breakfast and 12 for dinner. And our small dogs eat 4 ounces for breakfast and 4 for dinner. Their weight is really good last time they went to the vet, so we know we're doing something right. Okay guys, it's chow time.
Good doggies, wait. Eat. Hey Chloe. If you like this video, please click and subscribe.
From our kitchen to yours, ciao.
Ciao.